Hey, it's Kurt with Milwaukee Tool. I'm up here in Grand Forks, and today I'd like to talk to you guys about our 2845, our 36 peak watt and 1800 watt continuous power supply. It's gonna be able to run on any M18 battery, and it's great for those corded Legend products on the job site. We're not gonna be able to have power. You can bring this guy right on in, easily just turn it on with the push of a button, and it's gonna be on, and you're gonna have power to power the job site for any corded Legendary tools that you're gonna need to power. I've seen a lot of videos online of this tool. You know, it's great for tailgating. It can obviously do coffee makers. It can run TVs. We really want to bring it to a job site today and test, you know, can it run those heavy duty corded products like, you know, a rigid 300 pipe threader. So, you know, again, it's gonna be versatile on that job site. You obviously can take it tailgating and, you know, do those lifestyle events as well. But you know, let's get into a demo here and see if you can power up this rigid 300. We're here with Brandon with Lunsky Plumbing. And you know what? We're gonna just fire this bad boy up and watch her do its beauty. Completely plugged in. All right, just to go over some of those quick specs on here, this guy's gonna be able to run off any 4 M18 batteries, but once one of them dies, the whole unit's gonna go down. So you can go ahead, you know, turn it on. You can run it off 2 12-0s and 2 8s, but once one of those smaller capacity battery dies, the whole unit's gonna die. So you gotta, you know, make sure all of them are gonna be completely charged. Right here, you're gonna have the battery life. Like any of our M18 tools, it's gonna have those 4 gauges. You're gonna have that right on the tool here. In order to charge this unit, it's gonna come with this extension cord. You go ahead and plug it in here, plug it into any wall outlet, and it's gonna charge those batteries as well. So this will act as a power supply and a charger. Right up top here, you're gonna have your lock. So these batteries, no one can go ahead on a job site and take these batteries out. Open it up, put a padlock right on here. A couple other things this has, it has its roll cage design, which is able to have this little V here on both sides to wrap an extension cord around for easy carrying on and off. And then it's also gonna have a USB-A and a USB-C to be able to charge those sensitive electronics like laptops and phones. If you have any questions, visit us at acmetools.com or any one of our 10 locations. Thank you, and always remember, do your best work.